Good day class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 2.1. Okay. So first question is solve the following, and what we have to do is there is some questions regarding plus sign and minus sign. We have to add or subtract them. So what I am doing is I am doing question number first, 2 minus 3 upon 5. Question number first A. 2 minus 3 upon 5. Like it was told before, that what we have to do is we have to put 1 on the 1 as denominator. Done. The denominators are different, so we have to find the LCM. The LCM of 5 and 1 will be 5. Okay. Now what we have to do is divide this 5 by 1. So it will be 5, and the answer will be multiplied by 2. It will be 10. Divide 5 by 5, it will be 1, and 1 into 3 will be 3. What is 10 minus 3? It will be 7 upon 5. And what we have to do is we have to give the answer in mixed fraction. So it will be 1, 2 by 5. Done? Question number second. It is as it was before. There is a positive sign there, then you have to add them. Question number third, 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. So LCM of 5 and 7 will be 35 and 35. Okay, this is a method. Then in it what we have to do is we will write 35 and 35 there. So this was to make it a like fraction. So 5 can be changed into 35 and 7 can be changed into 35, the LCM of that. Then how we will convert 5 into 35? We have to multiply it by 7. So we will multiply this above number again with 7. So it will be 7 3s are 21. Okay. And we also have changed this 7 into 35. So it is also multiplied by 5. Then we have to multiply the numerator also with 5. It will be 10. What we have to do is 21 plus 10 equals to 31 upon 35. Done? Okay, what we have done is just find the LCM of that and place there. Done? We have changed 5 into 35. Okay? So if we have changed 5 to 35, then we also have to change this by that amount which is multiple of this. Okay. 5 will be multiplied by 7, then it will become 35. So it will also be multiplied by 5. So 3 7s are 21. And 7 is also made as 35. So it will also be multiplied by that number from which it has been multiplied to change it into 35. So 7 is multiplied by 5 to change into 35. So the above numerator will be also multiplied by 5 to change into 10. Then again what we have done is we have just added them and given the answer. Okay. Fifth question is 7 upon 10, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 2. 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 by 2. So the LCM of 10, 5 and 2 will be 10. Okay. We divide this 10 by 10. So 10 ones are 10 and 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. 10 divided by 5, it will give 2, and 2 into 2 will be 4. 10 divided by 2 equals to 5, and 5 3s are 15. Okay. Answer will be 26 upon 10, or we can say that 2 6 upon 10. Okay. I have changed it into mixed fraction. Next is I am doing question number 7th of question number 1. 8 1 upon 2 minus 3 5 by 8. 8 1 upon 2 minus 3 5 by 8. First what we have to do? We have to change it into improper fractions. So 8 2s are 16 and 1 17 by 2 minus 24 plus 5 29 by 8. Okay. The LCM of 2 and 8 will be 8. Okay. 8 divided by 2 equals to 4, and 4 into 17 68 minus 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 into 17, 17. 68 minus 17, 8 will be 51. It will be 8 6 are 48 minus 3 by 8. It's a final answer. Done? So this is our question number 1. Question number 2 is arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the fractions in ascending order. First of all, we know that negative integers, negative fractions are smaller than positive fractions. Okay, and proper fraction are smaller than improper fractions. Okay, so question is 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. 2 by 9, comma 2 by 3, comma 8 by 21. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to find the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 will be divide by 3. 3 3s are 9, 1, 7. 3 1s are 3, 1, 7. And 7, 1, 1, 1. It will be 63. Okay. So I will write 63, 63 and 63. Okay. So to change 9 into 63, we have to multiply 9 by 7. So it is also multiplied by 7. It will be 14. Okay. Or you can do is 63 divided by 9 is 7 and 7 2s are 14. 63 divided by 3 is 21. 21 2s are 42. And 63 divided by 21 will be 3 and 3 eggs are 24. Done? Okay, we have to change it into ascending order. So it will be like this: 14 by 63, comma 24 by 63, comma 42 by 63. Done? So 14 upon 63 came by 2 by 9. So this is the smallest. Then 24 by 63 is equal to 8 upon 21. 8 by 21. And then 42 upon 63 is equivalent to 2 by 3. So we can write it 2 by 3. Okay. So this is our final result. It is in ascending order. And if it is in ascending order, then we can write that this is smaller and this is bigger. Okay. In both of these two, this one is bigger, and in both of these two, this one is bigger. It is smaller, then bigger, and then the more bigger. Done? This is our question number 2, in which we have to arrange into ascending order. Then what we have to do is we can also change into descending order. Descending order. So in descending order, the bigger one will be the first one. So it will be 2 by 3. Then the smaller one, it will be 8 by 21. And then the smaller one, it will be 2 by 9. Done? It is our question number 2nd. First, what you have to do is you have to complete question number 2nd of question number 2nd. Okay, next is 3rd. What we have to do is we have to make prove that it is a magic square or not. So, what is a magic square? The total of the rows, column and diagonal will be same. Is it correct or not? 4 by 11. Okay. 4 by 11, 9 by 11, 2 by 11. Next is 3 by 11, 5 by 11, 3 by 11, 5 by 11 and 7 by 11. Next is 8 by 11, 1 upon 11 and 6 upon 11. So the total of this row will be 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 by 11. This one will be 7, 5, 12, 12 and 3, 15 by 11. 6 and 1, 7 and 7, it will be 15 by 11. Okay. The total of this column will be 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 4, 15 by 11. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15. It will also be 15 by 11. And 7 into 9, 9 and 6, 15 by 11. Okay. The total of rows and columns is same. But what is the total of this diagonal? It will be 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6, 15 by 11. And the total of this diagonal is 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8, 15 by 11. Yes, we can say that it is a magic square. Okay. Next is question number 4. Question number 4 is a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 upon 2 centimeter long and 10 2 upon 3 meter wide. Find its perimeter. Okay, it is a rectangular sheet. So 12 1 upon 2 centimeter long. 12 1 upon 2 centimeter. And breadth is 10 2 upon 3. So perimeter will be of rectangle equals to, it will be 2 bracket L plus B. It will be 2 bracket. What is the length? It is 12 1 upon 2 plus 10 2 upon 3. 2 bracket. So we have to change it into what? Improper. 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 plus 32 by 3. Done. Now what we have to do is we have to find the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6. Multiply 2 3s are 6, 3 multiplied by 25, it will be 75 plus 3 2s are 6, it will be 64. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. It will be 5 plus 4, 9, 7 plus 6, 30 upon 3. So we can say that it will be 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18, 1 upon 3 centimeter. It is a perimeter. Okay. Next, we can write it like 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Done class. It was question number 4. Next is question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Okay, if it is like this, A, B, C, D and E. Okay, it is 5 by 2. It is 2 3 by 4. It is 3 3 by 5. And the breadth is 7 by 6. Okay, what we have to do is we have to find the perimeter of both these figures, triangle and rectangle, and we have to find whose perimeter is greater. So what we have to do is find the perimeter of triangle. So first perimeter of triangle equals to, so it will be 5 by 2 plus 3 3 by 5, 3 3 by 5 plus it will be 2 3 by 4, 2 3 by 4. Okay. So LCM we have to convert it into improper. It will be 5 by 2 plus 5 is 15, 6 is 18 plus 8 11 by 4. The LCM will be 20. Okay. So it will be 50 plus 72 plus 55. Okay. So what you have to do is just add all of these. 5 and 5 10, 10 plus 7 17. It will be 170 7 by 20, or we can say that 26 28 are 160 17 by 20. Done? Centimeter. Okay, what is the perimeter of this rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle equals to, it will be 2 bracket L plus B. Done? So what is 2 bracket? Length is 2 3 by 4 and 7 by 6. 2 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Or we can say that it will be 2 multiplied by 4 to the 8, 9, 10, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Okay. Done. What is the LCM of 6 and 4? The LCM of 6 and 4 will be 2 into 12. Okay, 4 3 is 12. It will be 33 plus 6 2 is 12. It will be 14. 33 and 14 will be, we can do that, 2 6 is 12. What is 33 and 44? It will be 47. It will be 47 by 6, or we can say that 6 6 are 36, 6 on the 42. It will be 7 5 by 6. Done. It is our final answer. So we can say that there is 7 5 by 6 and it is 8 17 by 20. The perimeter of triangle is greater. Done. Okay. Next is question number 6. Question number 6 is, Salil wants to put a picture in a picture frame. Okay, the picture is 7 3 upon 5 centimeter wide. Okay, and to fit in the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10. Okay, so picture is bigger and the frame is smaller. So how much it should be trimmed? It means that we have to subtract both of these. So what we have to do is, we will subtract 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. Okay, it will be 35, 36 and 38. 38 by 5. 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. So LCM will be 10. It will be 38 to the 76 minus 73 equals to, it will be 3 by 10 centimeter. So we have to trim the picture by 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay. Question number 7. Okay, question number 7. Question number 7 is just easy. What we have to do is just Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple. How much Ritu ate? Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple. Question number 7. Ritu ate 3 upon 5 of an apple. Done. And Somu eats the remaining. Somu eats the remaining. Okay, we don't know how much the apple was, but it was an apple. Okay, so Ritu eats 3 upon 5. It means that she eats 5 from 5 parts. She eats 5 parts of the apple. So how much Somu ate? Somu ate total minus 3 by 5. It will be 5 is LCM. It will be 5 minus 3. It will be 2 by 5. So how much Somu ate? Somu ate 2 upon 5 parts of that apple. Now what we have to do is, we have to check who ate more. So we will subtract it. Who ate more equals to 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 equals to 1 by 5. So we came to know that Ritu ate more. Okay. Next question is, Michael finished coloring during 7 upon 12 hours. Michael finished coloring in 7 upon 12 hours. And Weber finished coloring in the same in 3 upon 4 hours. Okay, both of them are given a picture to color. Done. Both of them are given a picture to color. But what Michael has done, Michael finished in question number 8. Michael finished coloring equals to 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12. Okay, next is Weber finished coloring equals to 3 by 4 r. What we have to do is, we have to subtract both of these to know that who takes more time. So, okay. So, 7 upon 12 minus 3 by 4. Okay, the LCM of 12 and 4 will be 12. It will be 7 minus, it will be 4, 3 is 12, 3 is 9. It will be minus 2 by 12. So what we have done is minus 2 by 12. It means this one was bigger. So Weber takes more time. Weber took more time equals to 2 upon 12 hours. So who takes more time? Weber make to more time. And how much it was? It was 2 by 12 hours. Okay. So class, this is our exercise number 2.1. We will complete the next in next video. Thank you.